You know you should.
Currently, you can see that my daggone pipeline is leaking. I don't know what the heck hit it, or what the heck I hit, but it's leaking. A whole half a tank dripping, gone. So, yeah, definitely gonna have to see what's going on. Call insurance or something. I don't know. We're gonna figure it's leaking all the way down there. Alright, YouTube, we back. This is a different day. So, as you know, my car is down. So, with that being said, what's going on with it? I don't think it was a gas line. For what the picture I seen on it, looked like the gas tank hole, it done pierced the gas tank hole in my car. So, that's gonna set me back a couple dollars, which I don't want to set me back. So, currently right now, I'm gonna be driving a whole point different. That's kind of crazy how like the 3.5 and the 3.6 like varies in like power is like 1.1 liter or 3.1 liter difference. So that's kind of real crazy about that. And currently on the vehicle I'm using, it's not getting nowhere near the factory power in this 3.5, so it's even worse. So I know what this car is gonna need though. I know what's wrong with it, and it's gonna take time to actually get this working like it should too. So currently, this is what it sounds like. And yes, this got lots of miles on it. So, yeah, I'm surprised it fired up that time. Normally they don't even fire up like that. So, it's kind of weird. Yeah, big major difference. Yeah, but you need some more work to you. Oh, big boy. So once I get my car back into maybe like a week, hopefully it don't be two. Yeah, you'll see other videos that had already started loading and recording, because I still got work on them, so just gotta upload them and finish recording. But now since the car down, can't really finish it up. So you'll see videos coming in the future. This is where I'm staying right now. I'm just down for a minute. Things happen, you know. I was just driving, and something just hit the bottom of the car. I didn't even see what it ever hit. I was just driving and heard boom. That's it. Didn't think of nothing of it, you know. Think it's a minor rock, small little minor rock, and I just drove and got home, and it was just a whole big puddle. So. Yeah. You can see that, yeah, it's definitely over on there. But that's it. That's another episode today. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.